Every day, millions of tons of earth were moved from the mountain.
The world watched as humanity attempted the impossible.
Moving the mountain meant moving an entire world of rock and earth. Every piece removed represented another step toward changing the landscape. Even after moving a mountain, nature remained part of the story. This was not just construction. It was a new chapter in human ambition. For centuries, this mountain stood untouched between humanity and progress. The city was growing faster, but the mountain left nowhere to expand.
Then engineers proposed an idea that sounded impossible: move the mountain.
A $20 billion decision would change the landscape forever.
Before moving the mountain, engineers had to understand every layer beneath it. The biggest challenge was not power, but precision. The machines arrived, preparing to challenge millions of tons of rock.
After thousands of years untouched, the mountain finally began to change.
Every day, millions of tons of earth were moved from the mountain.
The world watched as humanity attempted the impossible.
The mountain was no longer untouched. It had become humanity's biggest construction challenge. Every meter of rock required precision, power, and perfect timing. These mechanical giants became the hands that reshaped the mountain. Moving the mountain meant moving an entire world of rock and earth.
Before removing the mountain, engineers had to make sure it would not fight back.
Behind every machine was a person carrying the dream of the impossible. But even nature fought back, testing every decision engineers made. Beneath the surface, another engineering world was being built. Every movement was measured, because one mistake could change everything. Years later, the impossible was no longer a dream. It was happening. The deeper they went, the harder the mountain became to control. Millions of years created this rock, but technology was rewriting its future. To move the mountain, engineers first had to build a world around it. Hidden underground, engineers controlled every step of the transformation. No single machine could move the mountain. Only an army could. Moving a mountain required respecting the world around it. Deep inside the mountain, engineers discovered challenges nobody expected.
Behind this impossible project were thousands of ordinary people doing extraordinary work.
Slowly, the impossible vision became a completely new reality. After years of struggle, the final test was finally approaching. After years of work, the final pieces of the mountain stood before them. At this stage, accuracy mattered more than power. A mountain shaped by nature was now being reshaped by human hands. Every piece removed represented another step toward changing the landscape. The impossible idea was no longer just a plan. It was becoming reality. The mountain was moved to create space for the future.
After years of effort, the world finally saw what humans had created.
Even after moving a mountain, nature remained part of the story.
This was not just construction. It was a new chapter in human ambition. Behind the mountain's transformation was a world of hidden technology. These machines became humanity's strongest tools against nature's greatest obstacle. Moving a mountain required billions, but the future was worth the price. The biggest challenge was not only moving the mountain, but protecting what surrounded it. The true builders of this miracle were the people who never gave up. The difference between yesterday and today changed everything. This mountain became a symbol of what humans can achieve together. The lessons from this mountain may shape the megaprojects of tomorrow. One mountain moved, but an entire future was created. The project ended, but the legacy of moving a mountain will remain forever. After decades of effort, the impossible mountain transformation was finally complete.
Behind this achievement were billions of dollars, millions of hours, and one impossible vision.
The mountain moved because thousands of minds believed it could. The technology created here may build the impossible projects of tomorrow. This was not a battle against nature, but a test of human imagination.
The greatest achievement was not moving the mountain, but creating a better future.
Across the world, impossible ideas have always shaped human progress. Behind every impossible structure is a story of courage, patience, and vision. This mountain became proof that impossible is only a word.